court calls the matter of Gray versus Gray, case number 2021-5757DO. Both parties could please state their name for the record, starting with the plaintiff, Andrea.
Andrea Jean Gray.
Madam sir.
Corey Robert Gray.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's date and time set for hearing. This matter is being done by remote technology. The contents of this video may be the official record of a proceeding of the state of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for pro-con. Mr. Gray was defaulted on for not answering, but he is here today, which is a good thing. And before me, I have a signed judgment of divorce signed by both parties, and it looks like a qualified domestic relations order as well. So, Mr. Gray, do you believe all matters have been settled in this case?
I do.
Ms. Gray, do you believe all matters have been settled?
I do.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll swear in the plaintiff, which is customary, and then I'll ask Mr. Gray at the end if there's anything to clarify or correct or see if he's in agreement with everything. So with that, Ms. Gray, if you'll raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your full name, spelling your first and last name for the record.
Andrea Jean Gray, ANDREAJEANGRAY.
Ms. Gray, did you file a complaint for divorce on or about May 17th, 2021?
I did.
At the time you did that, had you been a resident of Kalamazoo, Michigan for 10 days and state of Michigan for 180 days?
Yes.
You were married on or about June 6, 1992 to Corey Robert Gray, is that correct?
Correct.
You claim there is a breakdown of the marriage relationship. Excuse me. Was that true when you filed?
Yes.
Is that true today?
Yes.
Can you briefly, in a sentence or less, tell me what caused the breakdown?
I just grew apart from him.
Okay. Based on that growing apart, has the matrimonial nature of your marriage been forever broken?
Yes.
Are there any minor children that have been born or adopted from the marriage?
No. I mean, there's no minors now.
Okay, they're over 18?
Yes, they're both over 18.
Are you currently pregnant?
No.
Neither party is asking for spousal support, and you understand that's forever barred?
Correct.
Neither party will have any rights in each other as beneficiaries, correct?
Correct.
Okay. The rest of the property and pensions that are split and real property in the judgment divorce in its entirety, is it fair and equitable to both parties?
Yes.
And you wish to be bound by what's in the judgment divorce?
Yes.
Anything else you want the court to be made aware of?
No.
Mr. Gray, have you heard all the testimony?
Yes.
Is there anything you disagreed with?
No.
Any questions or anything to clarify?
No, sir.
And do you wish me to sign the judgment divorce and the qualified domestic relations order?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Based on the testimony, the court finds there has been a breakdown of the marriage relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed, and there remains no reasonable likelihood the marriage can be preserved. I've reviewed the judgment divorce signed by both parties and the qualified domestic relations order. They do appear to be fair and equitable to both parties. So and in fact, the judgment was signed by both parties. I will sign it, making it official, and we'll get, are you guys both at the same address, or have there been new updates?
I am at my mom's right now. Yes.
Do you want that to be the mailing address for the court?
Yes, that's fine. Yes.
Okay. So we'll go off the record, and I'll have you give my staff your email. Any questions by anybody, or your address? Any questions by anybody?
No.
No.
All right, we will be adjourned. Ms. Gray, if you'll stay on the line to give my staff your mail.